welcome to our lesson for today. Welcome to Art for the Heart. Cool, let's get started. All you need for today is a piece of paper and something to color with. I chose markers. So today, it's getting warm outside, so I decided I want to draw an ice cream cone. So here I go. Okay, so this is my ice cream cone. I drew a waffle cone because those are yummiest, and this is vanilla ice cream with chocolate chip cookie dough chunks in there and some sprinkles and a cherry. It looks so delicious. And the verse that inspired me for today is actually from Psalm chapter 34, verse 8. And it says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good." So I want to spend some time and actually ask him, what are some good things in my life? And I'm going to put them on my ice cream cone so my heart can remember just how good he is. Okay, I wrote a few things that he brought to mind. Number one is fun. Fun is amazing. It's really good. And then I wrote treats. Not only are those good, but they taste good too. So I thought it would fit. Then I wrote friends. Those are something that is really good, and I know God brought it for me. And adventures. My heart loves adventures, and it definitely reminds me of God's goodness. And last but not least is family. God brought me my family so I can better understand his goodness. Good job today, guys. Let's see what's next.
Alright guys, we have a surprise for you. Since we did Art for the Heart with ice cream, we are going to actually make some ice cream together. Isn't it fun? And we can eat it. So this is what you need for our ice cream. We will need ice, just regular ice, salt, milk, vanilla, ice cream salt. It could also be kosher salt if you have that at home. And then we're just gonna add some sprinkles later for our ice cream. And then we have sugar. And you can get some measuring spoons. If not, you can just try to do it as close as possible. So to get started, we'll need also a ziplock bag. We're gonna start with the salt. So we're gonna put a pinch of salt, so just a tiny bit. You don't wanna do too much. Let's see. Okay, great. And then we're gonna need 1 cup of milk. All right, now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, now just make sure you seal the bag really well, okay? You don't want any ice cream to get out of the bag. And now we need the ice bag. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put the ice cream salt, it could also be kosher salt, in there. All right, the last part, you're just gonna put our ice cream that we already made. We're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna seal it. All right, this part is kind of like an exercise, okay? So you're gonna take this whole thing and you're gonna shake it. You're gonna actually shake it for 15 minutes, till 20. All right, let's see you in 20 minutes. Alright guys, and we're back after 20 minutes of shaking. It gets really cold, so I would recommend some oven mitts if you have some at home. Alright, let's see. Alright, so our ice cream should look something like this. It should feel firm, and you should be able to squeeze it, move it around. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, this looks so good. Alright, let me add some sprinkles. Alright, and now we've got our homemade ice cream. Good job, guys!